Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with massive momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Micron Technology, ticker MU, the leading U.S. maker of advanced memory chips, powering AI accelerators with its high bandwidth memory crucial for data centers and NVIDIA GPUs. Blockbuster news dropped yesterday, December 17th. Micron reported fiscal Q1 2026 results with record revenue of $13.6 billion, up 57% year over year, crushing estimates. Adjusted earnings hit $4.78 per share, and they issued blowout Q2 guidance, forecasting profits nearly double Wall Street expectations amid soaring AI demand and HBM sellouts through 2026. The market is loving it. Shares rocketed over 12% in pre-market today, December 18th, with the stock up 168% year to date on relentless AI tailwinds. With supply shortages persisting, MU looks primed for continued strength. Buy the momentum, hold, or wait for pullback? Share your thoughts below. Like for more semiconductor breakdown, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes a Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today, and we'll see you in the next one.